Hi, and welcome to part 4 of my restoration on my Honda CB750 Custom Exclusive. It's 1979. Last time I rode it was in 2007 from Chippenham to Trowbridge. So yeah, it's been standing up for a while, and I've arranged for Lightning Services to come along and have a look and take it away in their trailer and get it road legal. Don't need an MOT because it's over 40 years old. Obviously insurance. And it's tax exempt, so get it nice and safe and go for a ride. That's the plan. So waiting to hear back from Lightning Services, who've come and picked it up and got it in their trailer and strapped it all down, taking it to their workshop, and going to do the fork seals, brake master cylinder, that sort of thing really. I stripped it down for the journey, took the fuel tank off, which I filled up with Red X. So then hopefully, and put it on reserve so it dribbles down into the carbs, hopefully freeing any sludge up in there. Topped up the oil so it's not all stiff inside the engine. Hopefully it will be all smooth and not too much work to get it back up and running. WD-40 on all the joints, just let it all soak in before Baz come to pick it up. And I'm trying to manoeuvre it out onto the driveway. The first time it's moved since 2007. Still air in the front tyre, the back tyre is a bit flat, but hey, you know, it's a bit expected really. I bought a new battery because the last battery was dead. Trying to push it onto the thing, it's a little bit difficult on my own. No brakes either. Front brakes were disconnected, pads are falling out, rear master cylinder was removed on the back brakes which had seized before 2007. Double overhead cam, 750 engine is a little bit heavy. Trying to get it strapped down inside the trailer. Hopefully I'll be motoring soon. Thanks for watching.